Hi friends, in this video we will create an immutable class. Okay, so the interviewer will ask like this: can we create our own immutable class? So we can answer like yes, we can create. Then he may ask to write that immutable class, and we can write that. Okay, one example we can write. Okay, let's create a class called student. So we'll make it immutable. Okay. Private, let's take a couple of properties. Private int roll number, private string name. Let's create one constructor for initializing the object. Now methods. So these methods, how we create, matters for immutability. Okay, so how to create? Let's say I will allow two methods to change roll number and name, but when we try to change it, it should create a new object rather than changing the existing object. Okay, so for that what I will do is, let's create one method called change roll number. So it will take roll number, okay. So let's return a new object, new student. It will take the new roll number, whatever is being changed, and pass the existing name. So the existing content should not be changed, right? So here the return type should be student, and we can make it as public. So this is the key here. So while trying to change the content, what we need to do, we need to create a new object with the changed content. We need to keep the existing content. If you have a number of other fields, we need to maintain the existing data, and also whatever the particular field we are changing, that field should be changed with the new object. Okay, this is how we need to create the immutable class. Okay, can we create one more for name? Similarly, the same way. Let's copy here, change name, string name. This time the name we have to pass as it is. So this dot roll number. So we are done with immutable class. So let's add toString method to see the object. Otherwise we can directly see whether the objects are different or not with the object representation. Otherwise we can implement toString method. Here we will see, we will implement toString method. Let's generate it using IDE. Yes. So now what we can do is, we can test it, right? So student, let's do one thing. Let's where s1 equals to new student. Okay, 1 comma Rakesh. Okay, now s1 dot change name. Let's say I'll try to change name. Okay, so I'm changing the name to Rohan. So if you try to print s1, can we see whether the s1 got changed, the object got changed? We can check that. So it is not changed, right? It is still showing Rakesh. So what does it mean? It has not changed the content. Now if you check the s2, so the s2 will have the new content, that is a new object, right? This is already this is a new object, s2. So whether the both are same or not, can we check that? So we can compare the references and check, right, whether the two objects are different or not. Yes, two objects are different, so it is returning false, right? So this is how we can create immutable class and show to the interviewer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.